Hello, dear students. Today I am going to tell a story. The story name is Unselfishness. Unselfishness means not selfish. That means generous. Okay. That means you are willing to give your time or money to others. That is unselfishness. But nowadays, all human beings are busy with himself. Selfish people are everywhere. A selfish man aims at obtaining as much happiness as he can for himself and does not care whether other people are happy or unhappy. All over the world, most of the people have a tendency of taking everything for them. They are doing everything for their personal pleasure. Children should always be taught to share all they get with other children. If such practice is taught from childhood, they are not so likely to grow up selfish. Selfishness is wrong and unhealthy. But in this story, we will have to see that a person whose name is Kartiki. In a village, there lived an old man named Kartiki. He used to keep himself busy with planting seeds of different fruits in the village. One day, some children from his neighborhood visited his garden. One of the children asked, "What are you doing, uncle?" Okay, in a village, a beautiful village, there lived an old man named Kartiki. Okay, he is used to keep himself busy with planting seeds of different fruits in the village. Okay, he have a lot of collections of uh, different fruits. Okay, one day some children coming to his neighborhood. Okay, from his neighborhood coming to visit him in the garden. One of the children, he has a curiosity and he asked, "What are you doing, uncle?" At that time, Kartikeya replied that, "Son, I am sowing seeds of a mango tree." What is the meaning of sowing? Okay, sowing means planting seeds by scattering it on the earth. We know that we can spread some seeds on the earth that will grow up. Okay, that is sowing. Same meaning of planting. Okay. Another curious child asked that old man, "But by the time these trees grow up and start giving fruit, you would be too old to eat any one of them. Why are you wasting your time planting these trees?" Okay, the curious child asking that after observing his planting. Okay, by the time these trees grow up, we know that by the time these trees will grow on, that will give fruit, a lot of fruits. But at that time, now the old man, okay, now the man is old, but when this plant will grow up, at that time the man become too old. Then he would be too old to eat any one of them. So why are you wasting your time planting these trees? He's just curious, why are he planting? Okay, why are he wasting his time for planting these type of trees? At that time, the reply of the old man was very interesting. What was the reply? The reply was, "It doesn't matter if I don't eat. That is not a matter. Okay, if I eat or doesn't eat, that is not a matter. Doesn't a matter if I don't eat. You would be able to eat their fruit. You would be able to eat their fruit. This is for you, not for me." The old man saying that this all for you, not for me. It does not matter if I eat or don't eat. That is not a matter. You would be able to eat their fruit. The reply was very interesting. Okay, replied the old man. In next paragraph, he continued, "I ate the fruit of the tree that my grandfather had planted. You children will eat the fruit of the trees that I am planting. These trees will not only give fruit but also give shade travelers." Okay. He continuing that, "I ate the fruit of the tree that my grandfather had planted. So you are the children. You children will eat the fruit of the trees that I am planting." Hey, that unselfishness man, that kind man saying that this all for you, not for us. Okay, not for me. The trees will not only give fruit but also give shade travelers. What are the uses of trees? We already know trees have lot of uses. Okay, it clear the air. Okay, and what are the other uses? Okay, it also prevent soil erosion. Okay, that's one important use, and it gives fresh air. Okay, and it gives shades to travelers. Okay, and trees help to keep the area cool. Trees prevent soil erosion. Medicines are derived from trees. Okay, lot of uses are there. So you are wrong in thinking that I am wasting my time. Instead, I am making the best use of time. Okay, he is again saying that you are thinking wrong. Your way of thinking is wrong because I am wasting my time. Instead, I am making the best use of time. I am not wasting my time. I am making the best use of time. My hard work will fruitful for all you. Okay, my hard work will fruitful for you all. Remember one thing, the best way to thank God for everything that He has given us is by do good to all. Okay, you are wrong in thinking that I am wasting my time. Instead of I am wasting time, I am making the best use of time. My hard work will not waste. My hard work will give fruitful. Okay, that work will fruitful for you all. And remember one thing, what is the best way to thank God? The best way to thank God is that you can do good to all. And the older man then started singing this song. Do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people. Okay, do all the good you can. Okay, you can do all the good things if you can. By the all means you can. Okay, all the means you can do. In all the ways you can. Not a particular way, any way you can choose. Okay, different types of ways are there. In all the ways you can do. Not for particular place is needed. Not a particular place needed for doing good things. In all the places you can do. At all the times you can. Okay, not for a particular time is placed for the doing good things. Anytime you can do good things, and not for particular people, your parents, your teachers, your colleagues, everybody needs your help, your support. Okay, so you should do good to all. This is the story. I think it's an interesting story. Okay, and selfishness is not selfish. That the meaning is not selfish. Okay, nowadays all human beings are busy with himself. Selfish people are everywhere. A selfish man aims at obtaining much happiness as he can himself. All over the world, most of the people have a tendency of taking everything for them. They are doing everything for their personal pleasure, but this old man doing that good thing to all. Okay, he is not considering his happiness. Okay, he is considering others' happiness. Okay, and selfishness is wrong and unhealthy, but unselfishness is good and healthy. Okay, this is the story. Okay, thank you all.